in everybody's neighborhood, but the storms are starting to pick up. The clouds are rolling in, and the cold front's on the way. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. You can watch that cold front moving in. Rain showers picking up. This is not very impressive here. This is not a big, large area of rain. The bulk of the severe weather and stronger storms may be to our east, but we will have some scattered showers. Cloud cover too, and there's going to be cold air and wind associated with this front, and these showers could linger around the basin throughout the lunch period, and then we'll see more storms popping up late Saturday and clouds really sticking with us, and that'll keep some of our high temperatures from getting into the 80s again. We'll see a nice 70-plus degree weekend for Saturday and Sunday. Humidity levels not that high right now, but they will increase as we start to see the moisture move in later on this evening. But here's one of the important things you need to keep in mind. Tomorrow, winds out of the west right now, and we've had some breezes at times. We've had gusts to 36 in the Guadalupe Mountains, 17 in Midland, so winds are picking up a little bit there. And a couple of areas also seeing wind gusts in the 20s. With some of those storms, though, which are kind of in rural areas, you could see winds as high as 60. Now, tomorrow, the wind forecast promises more wind. Here comes the cold front, and these numbers are sustained winds with gusts 20, 30, maybe even 40-mile-per-hour gusts. So be aware that the winds will be a problem from the morning all the way into the early part of lunchtime, maybe 1, 2, 3 o'clock, and then things will start to settle down. Winds will settle down. Cooler air is going to also be a part of our forecast tomorrow, too. Here's what we had today. High temperature in the 90s, 93 and 71. That is well above average for this time of the year. And currently, we're not seeing the cool down yet. Still seeing plenty of 80s and 90s across the basin, but that will change. Take a look at northern zones. Overnight readings, how about 40s for parts of southeastern New Mexico. Hobbs at 48, 51 in Andrews, and look at your daytime highs. Low, mid to upper 60s for highs tomorrow, so it is going to be cool throughout the day. 50s for Midland. Somewhat. It'll kind of start off with 70s at midnight, and then it will stay cool for the rest of the day. We're going with 60s, but I don't think we'll see 60-degree readings after lunchtime tomorrow. 50s in the Trans-Pecos. We'll see temperatures in the 60s and some low 70s there. And in the mountains, we'll also see a cool start, 49 in Fort Davis, 50 in Marfa, and then high temperatures in the 60s. 7-day forecast. It will get better this weekend, though. We'll take the rain and wind out and get up to 73, 79 on Sunday. We'll see the 80s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, and on into Thursday. Big story will be the rain moving in Friday. It should be early before most of the games. That's good news, but it will be cooler and maybe a little bit breezy. So keep that in mind. Bundle up tomorrow. Do not wear shorts, T-shirts, or anything. If you do, that's fine, but you're going to be cold.
And I sort of eavesdropped early. I know people have been calling you, sort of asking you
for events and stuff, yeah.
what to do, and your best advice is maybe move it if it's tomorrow.
Yeah, bump it to next week.
Yeah.
Next Tuesday.
All right, thanks, Horace.
All right.